But the challenge in Winston's best-known assignment was to bring the extinct to life. For his fantasy adventure Jurassic Park, director Steven Spielberg commissioned Stan Winston's studio to create the look of the dinosaurs. The animals' believability would be essential to the movie's success. To start the process, Winston studio concept artist Crash McCreary prepared pencil drawings based on the scientific hypothesis connecting dinosaurs and birds.
My first problem was to redesign dinosaurs in a way that we could look at them as real animals as opposed to monsters. So we incorporated what the new theories are bringing in, is that they were more bird-like than lizard-like, much more active. So I took basic designs of Tyrannosaurus Rex and tried to give him more life, leaning him forward and running positions and things like that.
Studio sculptors then translated the drawings into three-dimensional form. Even the film's computer-generated images, created by Industrial Light and Magic, were based on Winston designs. Several full-size robotic dinosaurs were built by Stan Winston's studio, including the ailing Triceratops, the small but nasty Dilophosaurus, and the voracious Velociraptors. John Rosengrant, a longtime associate of Stan's, was one of the artists heavily involved in the Raptors' creation.
For the Raptors, we had a whole series of puppets. The biggest and most complex was the full-size animatronic, which he worked from the tip of his nose to the end of his tail. And that was a combination of cables and rods and radio control. We had a close-up insert head for shots that didn't require the body. And also there was a pair of insert feet.
An insert head of the friendly leaf-eating brachiosaur interacted with the movie's human performers. But the biggest challenge was creating the movie's giant star. A creature so large, the Winston studio roof had to be raised to accommodate it.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex, we built full-size. 9,000 pounds of a completely full-size animatronic robotic machine.
As with all the dinosaurs, a full-size sculpture was created from plastiline clay. The sculpture was then encased in epoxy to create molds. These molds were used to create the creature's skins, which covered a robotic skeleton constructed by the shop's engineering staff. The T-Rex's 20-foot-tall, 40-foot-long steel skeleton was linked by computer to a mechanical arm or telemetry device that controlled the hydraulic machinery.
The thing that people will remember forever about the dinosaurs is how real they were because of how credible their performance was. They're actors in a film. They are not special effects.